I'm Kara Morgan here live in Lincoln City at the Outlet Mall. And we are doing Stuff a Bus here. We've got some great folks who have been doing this every year for many, many years. Isn't that right, Mr. Robertson?
Yeah, 21 would be the number. 21 years ago, we started this event, and I'm sorry to say that we need to continue to do this event because there's so much need. The need has not gone away. And what it is, it's back to school supplies for all of the boys and girls of North Lincoln County. Uh, when Diane Coos and I started this event, uh, we've got a few $100 worth of school supplies, and we were really happy. Now we are somewhere in the vicinity of $15,000 to $20,000. A lot of it because of these people. They have made a significant difference in the amount of money raised and the amount of school supplies that have been given. Lincoln City Gifts is a heck of a partner for Stuff a Bus.
And Roger, can you talk a little bit more about what exactly is Stuff a Bus? What are you guys doing here?
Stuff
What
a
are you
Bus.
stuffing the bus with?
It's all back to school supplies. It's clothing and shoes. It is whatever a child needs to be successful in school this year and for the rest of their life. It is amazing what the final outcome and the number of kids that come back, now that we've been doing this for 21 years, come back and give back to Stuff a Bus because it, I'm not going to say saved them, but it got them off and running in a positive start many, many years ago.
And what was the amount of what is the goal that you're looking to reach this year? What did you do last year? Are you looking to exceed it? What's going on there?
I always want to beat the year before, and I keep thinking to myself, now we can't do that. You get up over $20,000 worth of stuff, and right now we're over 15, and the Lincoln City Outlets hasn't brought their items out yet. They have been doing a drive here for a month or so. I know I'm going to be surprised, elated, ecstatic when they do forthcome with everything that Sharon has done right here at the Lincoln City Outlets. Wait till that number comes in, we'll hit 20 plus.
And we have Jeff and Nicole here from Lincoln City Gifts. So, Jeff, what's happening at 2 o'clock?
So at 2 o'clock, we stop receiving the donations and we actually start distributing some of the supplies. Lincoln City was fortunate enough this year that we start working in around July. We start asking for donations. All of our customers that come from all over the state, all over the U.S. I believe we even had some from France this year that came in and gave us some donations. So had big support from our local Kiwanis Club, of course, and support from the community as well. And so we were able to raise enough money with donations and our matches. We were able to donate $6,000 of school supplies this year for the students that are in need of it.
Woohoo! That's awesome. Nicole, why is this important for you guys?
Stuff a Bus was actually the first thing that we decided to do when we opened our gift shop because we have 3 kids of our own that we put through school, and the need for school supplies is always great, and helping children has always been our number one thing that we wanted to do for the community.
And again, Roger, this goes for all students in Lincoln County. Is that correct?
North Lincoln County.
North Lincoln County.
From Depot Bay to Rose Lodge, we understand there's needs in the rest of the county as well. We're trying to take care of the children in North Lincoln County with this go around. If somebody comes up and they happen to be from Yachats and need school supplies, we'll give them. Yeah. I mean, it's all about the child. It's all about the child, Kira. It's not a geographical type thing. It's all about the child. And special thanks to these guys for what they've done to augment Stuff a Bus. Also, Moe's with $2,200 worth of school supplies. The Lincoln City Rotary came in with a check for $1,000 plus about $500 of peanut butter.
Oh, nice.
We had another. Let's see. I got.
The Grocer's Outlet.
Yeah, Grocery Outlet yesterday gave a back to school program $1,000. I mean, the numbers are incredible. They're absolutely incredible.
What a generous community. And again, I'd encourage folks to come on up here to the factory outlet stores and make a donation. And if you're in need, come on by at 2 o'clock to
2.
pick up a donation.
2 to 6.
If there's leftovers, do they go to the
Yep.
school district? How does that work?
This bus that you see behind us is almost full. It's not full yet, but it is almost full. Tuesday, we will take the bus and we will go to Ocean Lake, Taft Elementary, Taft High School, and everything is sorted inside the bus, and it'll be dropped off to the individual schools. That way, they will need papers and pencils in January as much as they'll need them in September. They'll have them.
Fantastic. Anything you guys would like to add as we're wrapping up?
Thank you.
Yeah, I just want to really thank the community. You know, we couldn't do this without the support of our community. So, you know, we put the word out and we asked for the donations, but it's really the community that pulled through and made this happen. So big thank you to everybody.
Well, and thank you to you guys as well, to the wonderful ladies who run the backpack program. You guys are phenomenal. And you're right, Roger, it is all about the students. It's all about the kids. We care greatly about our kids here in Lincoln County. Reporting live from the factory outlet stores in Lincoln City, I'm Kara Morgan.